The timer has started. It's less than 60 seconds left. We're looking at question number 5. Right here, you're given 1 minute of preparation time in the exam. And this is where you really prove to the examiner if you deserve a CLB 10 or lesser, or if you're one of the weak students who doesn't even deserve a CLB 6. Let's analyze and we'll see how you can prove to the examiner you're worth it. In this prompt, this is the situation. You have some extra time on your hands now that your school exams are done, and you're wondering if you basically have these two options to choose from for your extra time. Once again, the 60 seconds are running out. I gotta pick either doing extra studies or getting into social media. Now I'm gonna pick an option that's easy for me to speak on. So I'm going to talk about social media, and I have these points here. Right now, I don't need to start speaking once the 4 seconds run out. In the next 1 minute of preparation, I'll be getting this screen in front of me. This is the option I selected, social media, and this is the option that apparently my parents think are better. Outdoor sports would be a better choice for me. So now in this 1 minute of extra preparation time, I'm going to look at both of these options and I'm going to see what are those things that I could say and compare quickly within the given time, because I really have to compare both. This question is comparing and persuading. That means you cannot just talk about your option, which is what most people do. You have to talk about your option and compare it with the other and defend yours versus the other. So if you see a few things here, it's great for health. Social media is not, obviously. Chance to meet new people, but social media, you have online friends, you can be popular with your content, so you can compare that point with new people. You have potential for a professional competition, you have career opportunities here as well. Got some pointers, time is running out, we got to start speaking now. Hi Mom and Dad, I hope you guys are doing well, and I understand you really want me to get into sports. For my health, which I understand is not great right now, probably it's going to get worse with social media, but let me tell you something. With social media right now, I can become highly popular in my field, which will open up new career opportunities and ventures for me. I understand in sports, we don't have that opportunity. Instead of meeting new people who probably are not going to advance me, they're just going to put me more into competition. I would rather make new friends online, enjoy my time while opening up career opportunities for my future. I understand that sports would be a break from my routine, which is what you guys mentioned. However, so would be social media. In fact, it would be a break that I would actually enjoy. Please try to understand that this is my passion, and I think I have real potential here. I hope you agree. So by doing this, we're done in a minute, and you can see we compared all the points. We talked about not only our points, but we compared it with sports. We also went back and forth and talked about how our side has this compared to this on your side, and so on. And now we're at the other question, because this is part of our interface, which gives you feedback as well. So if you want to do tests on this interface, comment down below. I'll send you the link for the interface for free. It is free completely. It's free forever. Test it out, test your skills, and practice like me. And understand, part 5 is where you really have to push yourself to say everything within the time limit, with efficiency and with the right grammar and vocabulary. If you like this video and you want to see more parts, please like, share, and subscribe. More videos like these coming soon.